Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. When you needed help, nobody cared. Be like. 1. I asked for help. Even my Wi-Fi ignored me. Reason, sometimes it feels like everything goes silent. 2. My message was delivered. Emotionally, it wasn't. Reason, replies don't always come quickly. 3. I look around for support. Only my shadow showed up. Reason, you can feel alone during tough moments. 4. The group chat became a ghost town. Reason, everyone can be busy at the same time. 5. I needed a hand. Life handed me a challenge instead. Reason, problems don't always wait for help. 6. Even my alarm seemed more supportive. Reason, help can sometimes take time to arrive. 7. I called for backup. Buffering. Reason, help can sometimes take time to arrive. 8. My chair listened better than anyone else. Reason, at least it never interrupted. 9. I became my own customer service. Reason, self-reliance is sometimes necessary. 10. Research became my best teammate. Reason, online guides can save the day. 11. I solved it 5 minutes after asking for help. Reason, sometimes the answer appears unexpectedly. 12. The snack drawer save more comfort. Reason, a small treat can brighten the mood. 13. Even my pet look concerned. Reason, pets are a great emotional support. 14. My coffee stayed loyal. Reason, caffeine never forget the assignment. 15. I gave myself emotional speech. Reason, encouragement can come from within. 16. My mirror said, you've got this. Reason, confidence starts with yourself. 17. I became the hero of my own story. Reason, overcoming challenges builds confidence. 18. The solution finally knocked on my door. Reason, patience often pays off. 19. I laugh instead of giving up. Reason, humor makes hard days easier. 20. My notebook became my problem-solving body. Reason, writing things down helps. 21. I learned new skills the hard way. Reason, challenges can teach valuable lessons. 22. My determination work over time. Reason, persistence often wins. 23. Turns out I was stronger than I thought. Reason, difficult moments reveal resilience. 24. The struggle became tomorrow funny story. Reason, time changes perspectives. 25. I celebrate the small victory. Reason, every success deserves recognition. 26. Next time, I'll have a better plan. Reason, experience is greater teacher. 27. Helping myself felt surprisingly rewarding. Reason, independence build confidence.